Right, I'm doing a view that's on Eglwysilan Common, which is the mountain between Caerphilly and Nelson. And I'll be, when I was the minister in Nelson, I used to cross over the common as a shortcut so many times in the week. And in fact, I'm preaching there in Nelson this coming Lord's Day, so that means I'll be going across it again. And this is really from a sketch I took last year. I spent a lot of time up there painting last year. I had the old oil box, and I was able to do some quick oil sketches and what have you. And this is the view of a field just before you would drop down into Nelson. And I'm wanting more or less like a nice blue summery sky. I'm not putting blue everywhere. I put raw sienna here and there to take the whiteness out of the paper, and so I'm just dropping in some blue here and there. So it's a simple sky really, just ultramarine blue with a bit of burnt sienna. I'm going to soak this up so it doesn't run there, and I'll put a little bit more blue up in here, I think. There we are. I know it's going to dry about 50% later, so it pays to sort of just go in a little bit stronger here and there. And I think that'll be it for now. Don't think we want any more than that. That's how easy a sky is really with watercolour, because the water's doing the work, and you're using really what is in the sky anyway. You're using water, aren't you? So that makes it that much easier. So now I've come onto the meadow here now, and I'm wanting a yellowish sort of colour of grass to begin with. So I'm using a raw sienna, which is like an earth yellow, and I think that is just right for there for now. And I might put a little bit of light red with it, so it'll warm it up even more there, like that. And then what I'll do, I'll mix a bit of a green, so that's yellow with blue, so it's coming more green into the foreground. And if you notice the technique, it's all long brush strokes. It's you don't want to be patting it here and there, and that's about it for now, though I think I could go in that bit stronger. So I'm going to put some more paint, less water. There we are. So I'm going in stronger now. So it's less water, more paint. And which means then with the red it'll be the same but here. And then with the green, bit more paint, less water. And that'll be that much stronger. And that's it for now. Now you can't do any more than that, because if I was to do the headland over there, that's going to bleed into here. We don't want that. The trees will bleed into the sky. We don't want that. So that's as much as you can do for now. Well, here we are at our second session, and I've put the headland in, some distant mountains in the background. Now we're going to come to mixture of trees here. And it is this that gives the painting strength, because it puts it into an L shape. And so I'm using here what is the Chinese brush. They're not very expensive, and they're great. They can go to a fine point. That I've had this some years, so it hasn't got the fine point it used to have, but still. Now, all I'm looking for really is the profile, the outline. I'm going for these darker blues, and when you're going for fir trees, if you put burnt umber with ultramarine, you can get a nice sort of green that's great for fir trees. And I don't want this to compete with that, so I'll make this a little bit taller, I think. Take it up to up there, that's right. And I can come in with a rigger later and get all the detail in, but at this stage, and what I'm wanting is a completely different kind of green now, more of an earthy green to be in the middle here, and as bushes that are coming out here. And we've got a wall here, and I'm just going to, I think that will do with there for now. And I'm going to get the rigger. Oh no, I'll tell you what, I'll get this brush and get the darks in now. So I'm mixing burnt umber with ultramarine, and you'll see what I've got here now. Here we go, let's go for it. See how it's a darker green altogether. Now the dark is going to come on this side mainly. That's right, that's great. Because this side's going to be in shadow, which means that's going to be in shadow here. And then I'm going to mix a darker green on the red side to go in here. I'll just mix that in there like that to give a bit of variation. Right, now I need to get the wall in, so I'll mix a few different colours here. We'll get, and then I'm going to mix more of a blue. Here we go, bit of a blue there. There we go, that's right. And I'm leaving the tops of the wall. And again, I'll be coming in on top of all of this and getting shadows like coming down on here, like that, as though it's casting a shadow over the wall, like that. And then what I want to do is get a mauve, and I want to get a shadow across here. Sorry, got the camera here. I'm trying to get around the camera, which isn't easy half the time. There we go. So it doesn't matter that runs into that at all, because when I accentuate later, you'll see what I mean. Now, I need a bigger brush now. I don't be fussing around. You've got to realise when it's time to go to a bigger brush, and it's more confident strokes, like that. So I'm dragging it, so it's got to hit and miss it. If I put the brush on its side, you can see it's hitting the surface of the paper here and there, but then leaving gaps and leaving a sense of texture. And really, we're nearly done at this stage. But what I'll do, let's show you here now. And you don't want to get this too uniform. You need just suggestion here and there. Now this is quite strong paint. I haven't got much by the way of water on here. And now with a really good dark. Let me see what will happen now. So again, it's not a lot of water. But can you see what's happening? So it's standing out because of the light field. And on the finished painting, I might put some cows in and see where we are. But that'll give you let's break that horizon, give it a bit more strength, I think. Yeah, that's pretty good. Like I say, we can come back to it. There we go. And that's it for now.